Vishal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, so wanted your feedback about Jumping Genius and how you think that it is different from other place. If you have any suggestions, feedback, feel free to share with us.
Okay. With Vian, I've chosen Jumping Genius. The reason being because it is close to my place of residence,
Okay.
so the traveling time is less for him and for me.
Hmm.
And I started Jumping Genius in November last year. And in terms of the feedback, I have only nice thing to say about the school. The best thing about Jumping Genius that I like is the student to teacher ratio is quite manageable. Each teacher has a number of students that she can manage very well,
Okay.
and also because of that there is a lot of personalized attention that my child gets.
Okay.
And when I leave Vian to Jumping Genius, it is like I'm leaving it to another family.
Okay.
He's now got so attached to all the didis here, the teachers. So it's like he's more close to them than me. So I'm at peace when I
Okay.
leave him at Jumping Genius. In terms of his learning curve and his development, that is also taken care of. The learning methodology is quite unique and new compared to the other play schools and daycare schools. A lot of emphasis is on doing activities. There's a lot of practical knowledge that is imparted. And the other thing which I feel where Jumping Genius stands out from other schools is, the number of activities and the number of field visits that you people engage in
Mm-hmm.
is far higher compared to other play schools.
Yes.
So in the last 6 months, he's had 2 sports days. He's had field visits to doctors' clinic. He's had field visits to the police station. He's had field visits to numerous parks.
Yes.
So there's always that kind of activity going on, whether it is in school or whether it is outdoors. So he's learning through experience. He's learning through interaction. So these are some of the things that make Jumping Genius stand out from the other schools. And I don't have any other suggestions to add to it. Whatever feedback is only good feedback. For the time being, I don't have any negative feedback as such. But if it ever comes across, then I will certainly bring up any negative points that I have to. For the time being, I'm quite happy with the way things are, and yeah, I'm quite satisfied as a parent. I think I made the right decision when I chose Jumping Genius, and it is visible in his development. I can see, he was a very shy child when he joined Jumping Genius, and you guys have molded him into somebody who is very interactive. He's quite happy to socialize, talk to people. He's made friends here, so he's now come out from his shell. He's become a very very confident child, and I can see that difference in him. So I think all positive feedback. I can only say keep it up and keep going. Is it just positive feedback? And in terms of the special moment for me at Jumping Genius would be when he passed out and he was basically given a certificate and I was basically called in to see his work, and I was presented a file with my child's work, and I was actually extremely delighted to see the kind of work he had done in the school, the kind of effort he had put in, the kind of effort the teachers had put in to make him do that file for him. So it was very creative. I never imagined that my child could do all these things, and his mind could work such creatively. I think the teachers have pushed his limits, and that was a very special moment. My picture was clicked with him, his work was shown to me. I still have it with me, and it was nice. It was kind of when you graduate from college.
Correct.
And you get that convocation certificate. It was that kind of a feeling at this young age.
Correct.
So I think he's moving in the right direction, and I think he will progress, leaps and bounds.
Yeah.
All thanks to you, the teachers, and Jumping Genius for making him what he is now.
Thanks a lot, Vishal, for your kind word and nice feedback about us.
Thank you. You are doing a good job, and hence the positive feedback. So it's all your hard work. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.